All right, let's talk Fun It, the party game that gets everybody up and moving.
It's a super fast-paced game of physical action. Seriously, it's all about your reflexes.
So, think you can outlast your friends? Let's break down how you become a champion.
Okay, the whole point is super simple. It really just comes down to these three things.
It's a loop. You get a command, you do the move, and you gotta do it fast to survive.
The app gives you commands both on-screen and out loud, so you really have to pay attention. And you get instant feedback. You'll know right away if you nailed it or, well, if you didn't.
Okay, so how does it actually track all your moves? Let's get into the tech.
Your phone's gyroscope handles all the tilts and turns, while the accelerometer catches those sharp moves.
All right, you know the moves. Now let's see the different ways you can actually play this thing. You can either work together for a high score or go full hot potato to be the last one standing.
So one person is the host. They're the one adding players and setting up the whole match.
And what's really cool is how much you can tweak the difficulty for your group. Crank up that sensitivity and shorten the reaction time, and this game becomes a serious workout.
You can play pass-around style with one phone or have everyone connect with their own device.
All right, here's the big question. How do you actually get that winning edge? Okay, you want a pro tip? For real accuracy and speed, place the phone right on your belly.
Just a warning, in hot potato mode, if you're too slow or mess up, you lose a life.
And that's the goal, right? Outlast everyone and become the champion. It's that simple.
So now you know how to play. The only question is, have you got the reflexes to win?